I'm making puff pastry again. So I did all of this stuff off camera and we saved most of this stuff. So yeah, we did make this stuff. And I even cut it down. And now I'm gonna put on the fruits. I'm gonna put this one here. With this. And this one with this.
So what are these? Strawberries?
Strawberries. Oops.
Blueberries?
Blueberries, raspberries.
Cool.
I cutted the strawberries. My mom cutted them instead. Okay, now do my two. This is part 2 because I have no time. So now I'm gonna do 2 more. I already did these with raspberries. Now I'm going to do with these again. I'm gonna do all of them again. That. And I'm gonna do 2 blueberries to do the same thing with this, and 1 of this because that one I can't use. And I'm gonna put it in the oven now, and I'm gonna show you guys when it's done. So, I'm sorry. I'm come back for part 3 because I have no time. This is part 3. So my mom turned it on the light so I can show you guys. And they're in the oven cooking. And they will get really hard in there because they could break when I was making them. And I'm gonna do for a few minutes and wait and show you guys what it really looks like. So here is this one. They're all looking actually right now baking. And I'm going to show you guys maybe in a few minutes what they look like. Here's a picture that I took. A closer look of it. They're starting to get wrinkled, yay. And this time I don't want any chocolate on mine because it was too sweet and I didn't like it at all. And come back for part 4 actually because I actually have no time to come back for part 4. Bye! Sit and hang out with my family. It's so windy! Yay, yay, yay! Is this a storm or something? Look at my mom. And my brother's just running. And my dad's just sitting here doing nothing. So it's getting less windier, but this is so bad. So windy. No, wait. Why is this happening? Oh no. This thing was moving. And by the way, I'm gonna show you the rest in another part. So bye bye. This is part 2 with windiness. And my brother's just swinging here. I think because it's windy. That's so loud. And he's gonna jump. Come on. Jump. Yay. My mom said to not go by the trees because she thinks it's dangerous, so I'm not going and the frisbee's flying crazy. How did this happen? This is the best evening ever. My brother threw the frisbee in the other neighbor's house and now we're sad. And they have dogs there, so they could chew on it. Wow, that's dangerous. It is so windy. Why? Okay, we're going inside because this looks scary. Now I'm inside and my brother's crying. Now we have this thing we can put on. And the lights were gonna go off. So now I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Helping me to upstairs window. Water's coming inside. Okay, this is better. So it's making weird noises in the window upstairs. I'm gonna do this. This is this. And this is part 3, I think. And now-
Little bit more over here.
A little bit. This is another part. And they put a little bit more. That one was fast because I forgot to do it in the 60s. And yeah, I put it a lot this time. And my brother's scared and I'm scared now because of that storm. I just took a bite of this one and it was good. My dad's just taking this and it was yummy and I ate it and he wants to eat it. Yay. This is so scary of the windows and now they're looking at it so close and we're not supposed to go by it. And I hope everybody is safe right now. And yeah, it's too scary. This is what it looks like and the treehouse is breaking, my brother said. Everything's upside down. We're gonna put on the TV instead because that will help us. And my brother's gonna stay in the closet because he thinks it's too scary. And we're putting on TV now. Bye, that's it.